Polynomials.
Hey, Mr. Sue.
It's just
Unit
a
four
tangent.
polynomials. Woo. Let's go.
We can do this. Oh, all right. All right. That was so funny. Whoa, what was that?
I'm so ugly, jeez.
Wow. Damn.
First, you have 3x plus 2y cubed, or to the third power. And then you separate it into 3 separate binomials. And you do the double distribute method. And then you get 3x plus 2y times 9x squared plus 6xy plus 6xy plus 4y squared. And then you do the same method, the double distribute method, again. Then you get 27x cubed plus 18x squared y plus 18x squared y plus 12xy squared plus 18x squared y plus 12xy squared plus 12xy squared plus 8y cubed. And then you combine like terms. Orange is the x squared y, and the red is the xy squared, like terms. Then you get 27x cubed plus 54x squared y plus 36xy squared plus 8y cubed. The equation is 3x plus 2y cubed, or to the third power. In this equation, we will be using Pascal's triangle, which you will see in a second. This is Pascal's triangle. Whatever power that the equation is to, it means whichever row in the Pascal's triangle. So since it's the equation's to the third power, it's the third row in Pascal's triangle. Then you take the numbers in Pascal's triangle 1, 3, 3, 1 and separate it. And then you take 3x and you put it behind every number, but to the power, but going down, so it's 3, 2, 1, 0. And then you do the same for 2y, but you go the opposite way. So instead of going 3, 2, 1, 0, it goes 0, 1, 2, 3, which are the powers of the numbers. So it's 3x to the first power times 2y to the second power, plus 1 times 3x to the 0 power, which is 1, times 2y to the third power. To the 0 power means 1. Then you get 1 times 27x cubed plus 3 times 9x squared times 2y plus 3 times 3x plus 4y plus 1 times 8y cubed. So you just multiplied all of the numbers above by the power. Orange equals 3x and the red marker equals 2y. Then the final answer is 27x cubed plus 54x squared y plus 36xy squared plus 8y cubed.
I hit you with this? I'm so sorry.
You look orange.
I can't even see.
I'm so sorry.
You have 5x to the third minus 20x squared minus 45x plus 180. 5 gets taken out evenly by each number, so it's 5 parentheses x to the third minus 4x squared minus 9x plus 36. You make two equations, so it's 5 parentheses x to the third minus 4x squared. Then the next equation is negative 9x plus 36.
For the equations inside the brackets, you try to take out the largest variable or number in the equations. So we took out x squared and negative 9. Then you make x squared and negative 9 an equation and multiply it by x minus 4, still with 5 on the outside of the brackets. And then you get 5 times x minus 3 times x plus 3 times x minus 4. This problem is an example of difference of two squares. A squared minus b squared equals a minus b times a plus b.
Nice
In this equation, you will be doing synthetic division, which is you make a box underneath the equation and you put the negative 3 next to the box. You drop down all the numbers in the equation. The 1 automatically drops down, and then you multiply the negative 3 and the negative 1. You put it under the 5. You add that so it becomes negative 8. And then you do negative 8 times negative 3, which is positive 24. Then you add 24 and negative 9, which is 15. Then you do 15 times negative 3, which is negative 45, which equals 0. Then you do x plus 3 times 1x squared minus 8x plus 15 equals 0. It is the numbers that you got from the box. And then you get x plus 3 times x minus 3 times x minus 5. Then you make it 3x and 5, negative 3x, negative 5x, and negative 8x. Then you get x plus 3 times x minus 3 times x minus 5 equals 0. You subtract negative 3, you add 3, and you add 5, and you get your x-intercept. X equals negative 3, 3, and 5.
That was gross.
I gotta spit, sorry.
Your x-intercepts are 0, negative 4, and 4. You set them to 0, so x equals 0, x plus 4 equals 0, and x minus 4 equals 0. Factored form is y equals x times x plus 4 times x minus 4. To get standard form, you do y equals x times x plus 4 times x minus 4. You do the double distribute method and get y equals x times x squared minus 4x plus 4x minus 16. The negative 4x and the positive 4x cancel out, so you get y equals x times x squared minus 16. You multiply the x, you do the double distribute method again, and you get y equals x cubed minus 16x. To classify this, it is a cubic binomial because the power of x is 3, which is cubic, and it's 2, so it's a binomial. The degree is odd because the power is 3, so it's odd. The leading coefficient is positive because there's a 1 in front of the x. As x approaches x is negative 8, then y is negative infinity. X is negative infinity, then y is negative infinity. As x approaches x is positive infinity, then y is positive infinity. X-intercepts is 0, 0, negative 4, 0, and 4, 0. The turning points are at most 2.
So, Mr. Suhu, synthetic
So, Mr.
division
Suhu, no, stop.
is awesome.
So, Mr. Suhu,
I think we should all decide on what to say.
we learned about
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Pascal's triangle.
Okay. Expanding using double distributed method. I called it.
we learned about the double distribute method,
Synthetic
division.
Double distributed method.
Literally just said that.
Really? I think it's Pascal's triangle.
I'm already gonna say Pascal's triangle.
Shut up.
We learned about binomial expansion
sorry,
too.
And factoring.
It's in here, just gonna be that.
We already knew about factoring.
No, but we learned.
No. Oh my god. No, we
That
learned
was a
factoring
video.
a
Oh,
long
we
time
learned factoring a
ago.
long time ago.
We did.
That was last thing?
Yeah.
Unit?
Then we learned about the difference of two squares, which is a squared minus b squared equals a minus b plus a. Times
Yeah,
a
geometry.
plus b.
What you guys?
And
How about you?
I learned a lot. I don't know about them, but I learned a lot. And yeah. So you know.
Her name
I'm just
So that's the
talking
one
now.
talking.
is
Yep.
Pedro.
That was a girl.
That's the
Also
guy.
learned about.
I sent her a picture of you.
Also learned about.
Him.
Oh,
Dude, he's lying.
the whole like. We learned about x-intercepts and the polynomial equation and how to classify a polynomial.
And setting the equations equal to 0.
Now you decide to start talking.
See, every time I do something, her temper goes up, and then up, and then up, and then stops
I'm
because she's
just
short.
kidding. Good one.
So funny. I didn't forget to laugh.
That's what your nose.
Her name is Isabel. Wow, he knows your name.
Who is that? Michael?
Okay, and then
Michael.
who's Michael?
I don't know.
And
You
then
know
we
your
learned
name.
about graph interpretation.
And you put that on yourself.
We learned how to put it in factored form and standard form. And
Cubic binomials.
no.
Yeah, you didn't really cubic binomials.
I know, but we learned how to classify the polynomial.
I just want to get my graphics done, that's it.
On blood, okay.
Okay. And blood too. What you repping?
Michael is typing.
What are you repping?
I said what you repping.
I'm rapping Bub, but I'm banging Gates Avenue.
Gates Avenue.
Long story. Dot, dot, dot.
Yeah, Gates Avenue. That's where it's at. G. How do you do a G? How does
Surname is G?
how does YG do his G?
I don't know. He's pretty G, so I don't even have one.
No, he has a way he does it.
Come here, Mo.
Real Bompton City G. Bloods. Real Bompton City blood.
Hey, Sydney.
She's ugly.
I'm gonna eat Alex, ready? 1, 2. Nervous.
That was very cool.
Thanks, Anoyan.
Very cool.
Okay, guys, I think this outro is good enough. I mean, I've been
Yep.
talking the whole time, but it's okay. It's okay.
She's camera shy. Look at her. I mean, but she, so what? She said, "What's Bompton?"
What's Bompton? What's Bracky, blood?
They can back doing both. She doesn't. I don't know what Bompton is. I put Bompton on the map.
You personally put like Bompton. You're stupid.
Okay. He's gonna take that back.
Yeah.
Where are you guys? I found you.
For the picture?
Oh, watch the N1, right?
When you suck.
N1. Hey. Hey, be better at basketball. Ah!
Hey, how about you just do better at life?
You take it. I want.
Okay.
I'm not joking.
Hey.
Sue, guess what I just found out? I have Chick-fil-A being delivered. Why is it so close to my face?
You did not just find that out.
Yeah, I did, okay?
You've said that since you got
Okay, so.
Suhu.
What's up, Mr. Sue? Unit 4. Something we're learning.
Okay.
It's not gears. It's the Asian guy.
No idea what you said, but
He's
it's okay,
the
man.
Asian guy.
Oh, he's
Asian
Asian,
boys.
Asian boy.
The Asian, he wants blue sack noodles. So we are doing
Unit 4. Math.
math.
Yep.
Math.
Something like like that. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, you're going.
No, no.
Okay.
It's a mess.
You want to be in this?
Oh my god, Melanie.
Oh, can I sit under this?
Yeah, it's pretty big. I'm not even joking. Excuse me.
I got some frustration because you're fucking funny. Hashtag no.
What? Get out. Go to me for me.
Hey, Sarah Bear, you ticklish too?
I'm not ticklish.
I know you're not.
Ow.
I'm in the pee-pee.
Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Are you comfortable?
Kind of.
I'm kind of comfortable too, so chilling.
Like,
Which one? Oh. You want like this thing?
yeah.
Like, yeah, nigga. What's up with it?
Your hands are so much tanner than hers. Can I have?
You owe me that bite now.
The fuck?
Wait,
Can I have a bite here?